What's up, Mike? Doing your check-in after your 4 weeks. Should have checked in with you 2 weeks ago. For some reason, it wasn't on my calendar. My bad for that. But it looks like you say your weight's very good for yourself. You didn't really overshoot on anything. Progressions were looking great, like I said. Make sure when you make the videos, you get a video for each week instead of combining them, so I kind of check each week separately. And then make sure just every Wednesday just add a video for the whole week and just paste it right up here. So then I can look at each week individually, see how you're progressing, make sure everything's looking good. I didn't get to see these days, but I say waist for the next 2 weeks. You're fucking killing it on deadlifts, man. Week 4, we're going to hit 88% of your max for 5, which is pretty fucking crazy. Last week you hit, I don't know, but the week before, you hit 455 for 6, so this week we're going for 465 for 5. Should be pretty easy for you. Let's go kill that. Everything else is looking easy. It seems like we're going to have some PRs coming pretty soon. Honestly, I might give you a single on deadlifts as well. See what you can do. I'm going to add that right now. I'm sure you're going to like this. And we're going to hit that at 227.5 kg. See what you can do there. It's looking really good, so I'm trusting you. I'm sure you'll be able to get that up. That lockout's looking way better than it did before. Some little stuff I'm going to go over in your video. You can kind of see under close grip bench, you're kind of losing your leg drive. You only get it when you drive up, and then you lose it right there at the top. So keep that, squeeze that whole time in your legs, not just when you're pushing off the ground. 2, deadlifts are looking great. Squats, I think you've been a little high, like right here, boom, definitely high on that squat, so let's sink every single squat we can. So we're going to get red lighted again for depth. Same thing over here, 224, I noticed same thing, a little depth issue on squat. A little high on that one. A little high, so let's just get a good angle your first set and make sure you're sinking it straight from the side so you can kind of see exactly what you're doing. Set your weights for the next 2 weeks, so go kill it. Everything else is looking great. Let's get the depth on squat. We got a single coming up on deadlifts, and keep that tension in your legs the entire time when you're benching. That's all I got for you, man. Let's kill it this next week. Have a good one. Hope you're doing good. Let's have a great fucking summer.